This tutorial is based on Farhan Mubin's method for creating an accordion with a really cool bounce effect. Farhan, I apologize if I mispronounced your name. After watching this tutorial and spending a few hours trying to replicate what he did, I think I got pretty close and refined the process somewhat to simplify this for future users. The first step involves inserting a code block, which you can copy from the video description. In case the code's removed, you can always pause the screen here and copy down what you see. Additionally, I've also included a link to download the template file, so you don't have to follow this manually. If you just want to use the template and stop the video, I totally get it. Just click the like and subscribe button and enjoy the template. Also, consider joining the Bricks community on Facebook and thanking Farhan. You'll learn a lot of good stuff over there. Alright, moving on. We'll add an accordion element. I'll remove the second accordion since it's unnecessary for this tutorial. Copy the class from the CSS Code area. Select the accordion item and paste the class name in the class box. Sometimes the accordion content might not immediately reflect the applied style. To fix this, delete a little bit of the pre-generated text. This should update the content style. Next, we'll delete the default accordion icon and replace it with a button. This will give the user a little more direction. Click on the title area, then we'll insert a button from the Elements menu. Place the button under the heading. We'll assign a class to the button and style it. You can name this class anything. I've named mine Accordion Button 01. Rename the button content to open/close. Unclick the style and tap the switch to turn it into a circle. Under Style, navigate to the Gradient and Overlay. Add 3 gradients. White, black, and white again. Adjust the transparency of the first and third gradients to give it a somewhat 3D effect. Under Typography, set the text color to white and increase the font weight to 700 for better visibility. Then, to give the button a little more breathing room, go up to the Layout, go to the Margin, and give it a value of 3 rem. Now we'll make the button pop a little more with a border. Set the value to 5, give the border a style of solid. Pick your preferred color. For a more subtle look, reduce the border value to 2. Change the style to Inset, and close out of the class editing. Now go ahead and click on your accordion, and everything should be working correctly. If we wanted to add another button to this for some reason, we can apply the class we just made to it. Unfortunately, not all the settings transferred over, so we'll have to do some modifications to it. Under Content, click the circle switch and remove the style. But now we can delete that button since we don't need it for this accordion. If you want to add another accordion, just minimize the item div and click Duplicate. Now we've got another accordion and the classes are already applied to it. Now let's say we want to make our accordions blend together into one box instead of multiple ones. We'll go ahead and copy the Accordion-Bounce class and click on each of our accordions and delete their bounce class. Now we'll go up to the main accordion and paste the bounce class into that one. The accordions should all blend together and give you a totally different look now.